everyone, my name is Savara and I'm 6 years old. Today, I drew Kuromi. She is so cute and a little bit sassy. I love her big ears and funny tail. Do you like Kuromi too? Let's draw together next time. Bye bye.